This video goes over how to create a menu report using the navigation menu. You should first go through the exercises available on Sharperlight's e-learning tab. You will need to have published reports saved, as these will be used in your menu report. Menu reports are primarily used as a hub with links to other Sharperlight reports or dashboards. We can see with this example that our menu report has links to reports we can find in Publisher. To begin, let's open the Applications menu and go to Publisher. From here, you want to right-click and select Create Menu Report. When you are creating a new menu report, Sharperlight will prompt you with lots of startup options. We will ignore some of these but come back and explain them later, as we want to build a simple menu report first. Here we can select what template we would like to use for the menu report. Select Application menu based on Published Queries. It will bring up a lookup where you can select Published Queries to pull in. You can select all your published reports, but know that you can use the wildcard search to help. By right-clicking, you can also select all for convenience. Next, we have a window with the table of our reports. We have the report codes, their descriptions, and now we can place them into tabs in the last column. Have some tab names in mind and then list them to the reports. We'll have one for accounts, sales, customers, and other reports. The reports will all fall under the same tab as long as they match, so double check your spelling for mistakes. Here we can define the group code for the menu report. Let's give it the same one as our reports, then click OK. You will then see the navigation menu. You can see all the published reports under the tab groups. You can at any point add or delete published reports. To add, select roughly where you'd like a new item and click the New button. You can then go through and find the published report link. There is also a button to delete items from the navigation menu. We can move on to customizing your menu report now, looking at themes and the header sections. But let's first look at what our menu report looks like. Click OK and we'll see a prompt letting us know that the menu report was created. Please note, by default, it will give the code main for your report. Let's find the menu report in Publisher and view it in the web. This is our menu report with just the default settings. We can see our reports under tabs we made. Go back to Publisher and open up the published report for the menu report. It should still be called main. To get back to the navigation menu, click to Edit Query. As this is a menu report, you will be asked if you want to go to the navigation menu. Click Yes. Now click on the Theme button. Here you will have options to change the theme for the menu report. There's some basic templates you can use. We can be more specific by choosing the default template and then selecting more choices. There's a preview on the right side to give you an idea of what the theme looks like for the prompts, reports, and dashboard tiles. When you're happy, click OK and save your changes. We can then refresh our menu report and see the changes. Note the theme passes down to the reports that you link to from the menu. Let's go back to the navigation menu. Find the menu report in Publisher and go back to Edit Query. Now we want to click on the Header button. Here we can see the header is defined by some HTML. Some items we can change easily are the image logo and the redirect link if the logo is clicked. Find a link to an image to replace, save your changes, and refresh the menu report to see your image come through. Our image is actually quite small. Going back to the header HTML, we can see there are properties for width and height. By removing these, we can get the full image. We'll revert to the defaults, but know that the header can be changed. We can also see the redirect link working when you click on the image. The default one takes you to the Sharperlight website. Go back to the menu report in Publisher. Go to the Options tab and open the drop-down list for the report type. You should see some options for menus. By default, it'll be set to Menu Horizontal. You can select another option, for example Menu Vertical, then see the changes. We'll revert back to Horizontal menu and go back to the navigation menu. One of the other options you can select here are the display options for your items. We'll select the first report and then open the drop down for Display. Let's change it to Open in New tab. Now when we select this particular report, it will open the report in a new tab instead of under the menu. At this point, you have created a menu report and gone through many of the options and settings. You can also, at a report level, do customizations. We'll pick our report for customer aging to customize. First, find the report in Publisher. Sharperlight has many options you can change, such as making a report submit by default. This means the report automatically outputs based on the default filters. Page size, makes it bigger or smaller. Enabling scroll bars. Hiding the prompts. Showing icons for annotations, PDF, and Excel downloads. Changing the report type. And stacking filters. You can also set the default content of the menu report. This means whatever is set is loaded by default when you go to the menu report. You can have it set to be a report, dashboard, or even an image. Go to the navigation menu for the menu report and insert a link to one of your published reports. Now refresh and see the report loads by default. We can also swap the default content with a link of an image.